Planning an event in teamwork.com is simple and streamlined. And if you're new to the software, you're in the right place to quickly learn how to leverage it for your next big event. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan, manage, and track your event with ease. Teamwork.com offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to organize tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities effectively. To begin planning an event, you'll start by creating a new project. Name it something descriptive like Annual Charity Gala so that everyone on your team immediately understands the purpose. Teamwork.com gives you the option to create multiple tasks and subtasks under this project, which is perfect for breaking down the event into manageable steps. From the moment you start, you can assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and track progress. Want to make sure no one forgets their responsibilities? Teamwork allows you to set reminders for each task, so your team stays on track and knows exactly when things are due. The real magic comes when you start using the collaboration tools. Teamwork's built-in communication features, like comments and file sharing, make it easy for your team to stay connected without ever leaving the platform. You can comment directly on tasks, upload important files like contracts or venue details, and even link external resources. This keeps everything organized and in one place, making it much easier for everyone to stay on the same page. For event planning, keeping an eye on deadlines is crucial. Teamwork's Gantt charts are perfect for visualizing your event timeline. You can quickly see how tasks overlap, track dependencies, and adjust timelines as necessary to avoid bottlenecks. Gantt charts help keep your event on track, ensuring you're prepared for every stage of the process. If you're coordinating with vendors or external teams, Teamwork also has a built-in way to manage client and stakeholder relationships through the Clients feature. You can invite them to view specific parts of your event project, keeping them in the loop without giving them full access to everything. This level of control is invaluable when you're working with multiple parties but want to limit what they see. But there's even more. Teamwork integrates seamlessly with other tools you may already be using, such as Google Calendar or Slack, so you can pull everything together into one cohesive workflow. This integration makes managing an event even easier and ensures you're not juggling between different platforms. Now here's a pro tip. As your event approaches, make use of Teamwork's milestones. This feature allows you to mark key events or deadlines in your project, such as the final confirmation of a venue or the deadline for RSVPs. With milestones, you can celebrate small wins and keep your team motivated. As we wrap up, I want to mention that Teamwork offers an extended free trial for new users through the link in the description below. You can start using Teamwork for free and even enjoy some exclusive bonuses for signing up through our link. This gives you the perfect opportunity to test out all the features we've covered and see how they fit your team's needs. If you're ready to streamline your event planning and want to take advantage of the extended free trial, head to the link below and start planning your next event like a pro with Teamwork.com.